Kirk Duckwell here with your Mastermind, the Market Minute, your real estate stats update for the Twin Cities area. While we're having a little post-Thanksgiving rebound, let's jump into the data and take a look. All right, so showings per week, per listing, median sale price range jumped up a little bit. That's part of the rebound here, 2.38 up to a 2.65. That is still down over last year by 35%. We did see showings pick up, though, a bit. Went from 1471 up to 1598. Notable point, though, we are much closer to where things were in 2019. So we're seeing, as I've talked about many times, our market normalizing. Okay, jumping into some other data points here. New listings going into Thanksgiving week dropped off. No big surprise there, as well as pending sales. This is keeping our inventory basically tracking. So everything's kind of falling in line. Very similar trends of what we normally see this time of year, but we are up in inventory by about 12%. Okay, so our market meter, where is that sitting at? It is sitting at a 3.75. So if we look at our weekly market meter trends here, as I've mentioned in the past, it's not been moving a whole lot. It's ever so slowly moving down. And actually, again, this is that rebound. We ended up jumping up from a 3.72 up to a 3.75, which puts us here on the market meter scale, which is a mild buyer's market range. So as I said, we're kind of flattening out, and we can see that same trend happening in the sale price data out there. So if we look at InfoSparks here, median sale price, we can see the market's moving down, 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 and then kind of flattens out. 355.5 drops off ever so slightly to 354.995. So for buyers out there, this is really that kind of bottom of the market time. I wouldn't expect sale prices to move a whole lot further down when we get the closed sale price data in January and February for this time of year. But we can tell by that market meter, that velocity, we're kind of hitting that bottom range. This is the biggest point of opportunity before things really pick back up. Now, for sellers out there, yeah, things will really pick back up. Usually that showings per week per listing is going to almost double right after the holidays, go up into that 5 range. So for sellers, I'd probably sit tight into that mid-January, February timeline. Around Super Bowl is when things really start to pick up fast. But for buyers, here's that opportunity. Here's that window. Hopefully you found this information valuable. As always, check us out at TwinCitiesRealEstateShow.com. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out as well.